guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this really fun glittery lavender eye. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. It makes me so happy, and whoever said we can't be mermaids lied, because this is definitely mermaid. I think that if you are somebody that likes to have symmetry and likes to have everything look exactly the same, you're going to have a difficult time with this, because we are using Lemonhead LA glitters, and I love these glitters so much. And they have different textures and sizes in the glitters, so this eye does look slightly more symmetrical than this one, and it's just the placement. Like, you can kind of see when I tilt my head that there are some larger invisible glitters, and they are even. It's just that this one has more of like the finer glitter. So this is going to be a kind of a timely process, because you are going to have to place the glitter. We have 3 different glitters that we layered, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, I am super excited to be doing this look with you guys today. It is going to be a little bit more time consuming because we are using glitter. So the first thing I did is I took a purple crayon. This is by Sephora Collection. I don't know why they discontinued these. These were so good. And I just popped this on the lid and then blended it out. Today we're using the Huda Retrograde palette, and we are going to first take this lilac-y shade, and I'm just going to press this on top of that base. You can use any base that you have. If you have a white, go ahead and use your white. If you have a lilac, like Marc Jacobs pencil, go ahead and do that. If you have a gel liner, whatever you have, use that. I just really wanted this color to stand out. I've done a look with this one already, not on my channel, but for myself, where I just do like a sheer wash of the lavender shade. It's beautiful. I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to take Hot Mess, which is this shade here. The first shade I used is called Libra. So now Hot Mess, and I'm just going to take this color and focus it into the crease. So it almost looks like we're going to do a cut crease, but it's just to add a little bit more of a pop to the glitter. That's it for the eye look. Like, that's it. I'm going to be using a MAC 210, which is a very thin liner brush, and the first shade I'm going to take is Crystal Tokyo. Alright guys, so I went and created my wing, and I filled in just the outer corner, and I'm also going to take a little bit of that pink shade that we used, Mulholland Space Paste, and I'm just going to bring some of that into the corner, just a little bit, just so that you can still see some of that pink. Now the final glitter we're using is White Rabbit. These shades are so beautiful and special. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to take some, mind you, I've used the same brush throughout this tutorial. I'm just cleaning it off. But I'm going to pick up some of that White Rabbit, deposit it into the cap, and then I'm going to take this shade and use it to line above the rest of this glitter. And I'm just kind of blending it up, and then making sure to kind of spread it a little bit. So if you're someone that likes your looks to be exactly the same, this might be a bit of a put off to you, because since this glitter has different sizes and textures, you're not always going to get it to look exactly the same as the other eye. There's just no way. That's so freaking pretty. I'm going to take a small detail brush. I'm going to go back into the palette, and I am going to take Libra again, and then just run this under the lower lash line, and then we're going to darken it up a little bit, because otherwise this is just going to look a little funky. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. I'm still going to take Ultraviolet, which is a shade that I've been dying to play with, and I don't know why I haven't. And I'm just going to run this on the outer corner. Yeah, see, that's really pretty. For my blush, I'm going to be using Pink Dahlia by Cover FX, and I'm mixing both shades, the shimmer and the matte. And then I'm just going to hit these little round cheeks. For my lips, I'm going to be using this NARS Immoral. I think it's like a gloss. I've had these for some time. Alright, so to kind of soften this some more, I'm going to take Night Together, which is also one of those glossy things. I felt like Immoral was too bright. I was competing. Oh yeah. Just so you guys know, today I wore my Dose of Colors Find Your Hue foundation in the shade 122, and I wore my Hourglass concealer in Beige. This is the final look for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This has been so fun for me. I am loving the way that this looks. It's just, it gives me a little bit of happiness, you know? I absolutely love the way that this turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, leave a comment down below letting me know what I can film for you, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.